The tale of 2 years for Aaron Plessinger has been incredible. Obviously, round two, San Diego last year with a win, coming out of it with the red plate. Obviously, didn't end the year with it, but still, an incredible start to the year. You gotta say, probably was feeling pretty good. This year, not so great. If you missed the actual broadcast, he pulled off, crashed, didn't finish the night. Pretty bad overall. You gotta say, not exactly probably the way he wanted to start it. We do have a quote from him saying this: San Diego was an interesting one. I didn't really feel comfortable early on, so we made some changes and they felt really good during the heat race. I actually felt good and was able to push and have some really good lap times, so I went into the main optimistic and got a good start. But unfortunately, I got wrapped up with Chase. I got up and tried to charge through the pack, but then I crashed on the triple quad section. Before I knew it, I was on the ground. I'm not hurt bad, I'm just really sore, but I didn't feel like my head was in the right space and I decided to call it a night. It's been a tough start to the season, but we've got 15 more rounds and I can definitely bounce back next weekend. Now, obviously, he finished a DNF, so no points, I don't think, at all there. And as far as I know at the moment, or as I'm looking, he sits 15th in the overall standings with 13 points. So, what, 29 behind Eli Tomac, technically? Kind of sucks. And obviously, it's one of those things you never want to start off the year with a DNF. Well, I mean, obviously it's the second round, but it's still the same thing. It's it's a really hard thing to even get back from. Yes, there's 15 more rounds, or there's a bunch more time for him to gain points and stuff. But when you lose a whole night's worth of racing, not even not even some salvage points, just completely zero, it's not a good thing. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Obviously, we're coming into A2. How well do you think everything's going to go? Apparently, he is going to be racing, which is a good thing. Obviously, you don't want to see people out for anything. But we're going to see how this goes. So, this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Who do you think is going to win the 250s, the 450s? Are you excited for A2? Are you going to it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.